Welcome back to Top Travel 10, your ultimate guide to the world's best travel destinations. Today, we're heading to one of Spain's most stunning Mediterranean jewels, the island of Mallorca. With its crystal clear waters, rugged mountains, and vibrant culture, Mallorca offers something for every traveler. Whether you're looking for an adventure, history, or just a relaxing beach getaway, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 must-visit places on this beautiful island. So grab your sunscreen and let's dive in. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss a travel tip from Top Travel 10. 1. Palma de Mallorca, the heart of the island. First up, we have Palma, the capital of Mallorca. This bustling city is home to one of the most iconic landmarks on the island, the Lascaux Cathedral. Its Gothic architecture is jaw-dropping, and the views from the terrace are even better. But that's not all. Stroll through Palma's Old Town, enjoy tapas at local bars, and don't miss the Royal Palace of La Almudena. 2. Serra de Tramuntana, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next, we're heading to the Serra de Tramuntana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a hiker's paradise. The mountain range stretches across the northwest coast, offering some of the best scenic views in all of Spain. Whether you're hiking to the top of Puig Major, cycling through picturesque villages like Valdemasa, or simply driving the scenic roads, this is an unmissable part of Mallorca. 3. Valdemasa, charming mountain village. Speaking of Valdemasa, this enchanting village is our next stop. Known for its artistic heritage, cozy cafes, and beautiful old-world charm, Valdemasa is perfect for a peaceful day trip. Don't miss the Royal Charterhouse, where composer Frédéric Chopin lived for a time. 4. Cap de Formentor, the Wild North. If you're looking for breathtaking coastal views, head north to Cap de Formentor. The rugged cliffs and crystal clear waters are the stuff of dreams. The drive to the lighthouse at the tip is an adventure in itself, but the views are worth every hairpin turn. 5. Alcudia Old Town history and charm. Next up is Alcudia, a town that's steeped in history. Walk through its ancient Roman ruins, visit the old city walls, and explore the vibrant market that's perfect for picking up local crafts and foods. For a bit of beach time, head to nearby Port d'Alcudia for some of Mallorca's finest sandy shores. 6. Es Trenc Beach, a Caribbean vibe. When it comes to beaches, Es Trenc is the ultimate paradise. Known for its soft white sand and crystal clear, shallow waters, it's often compared to the Caribbean. It's a perfect spot for a day of sunbathing, swimming, and relaxation, plus it's family-friendly. 7. Soler and Port de Soler, coastal beauty. Take a ride on the historic Soler train from Palma to the charming town of Soler, nestled in a valley surrounded by orange groves. After exploring the town, head to nearby Port de Soler for stunning beach views and delicious seafood. 8. Cuevas del Drach, the Drach Caves. Get ready to step into another world at the Cuevas del Drach. These awe-inspiring caves feature stalactites and stalagmites that look like they belong in a fantasy novel. Don't miss the underground lake, where you can enjoy a boat ride with live classical music. 9. Cala Ratjada secluded beach getaway. For those in search of a more secluded beach experience, Cala Ratjada is the perfect spot. This hidden gem is located just below the artistic village of Dia and offers turquoise waters and dramatic rocky cliffs. 10. Secluded spectacular gorge and beach. Last but definitely not least, we have Secluded. The drive alone is an adventure, with hairpin turns through the mountains. But the real reward is the stunning beach nestled between dramatic cliffs and the famous Torrent de Paray Gorge. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit places in Mallorca. From the vibrant city of Palma to the hidden coves and mountain villages, this island has something for every kind of traveler. Which of these spots would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Top Travel 10, and hit that notification bell for more incredible travel destinations coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure. Bye!